Heidi ho there, friends and neighbors. Bobby here today. Hey folks, I'm down at my dad's house and we're checking out some of his cool tools. He's helping me make some molding that I need for the home project that I'm working on. And today we're looking at a Steel City thickness planer that he has, and we're trying to make some molding, and this thing's really pretty cool for doing that. Model number on this thing is a 40200 13-inch portable planer. Now Dad has no longer made it as portable because he's got it attached to a nice heavy-duty stand that has some wheels on it where he can roll it around. And
it's still portable.
It's still portable, yeah. But he's got it mounted to a nice stand that he can roll around and then lock the wheels down when he wants it to be stationary. And he's going to go ahead and take it away from here and demonstrate how to use this.
Okay, we've got 2 or 3 things to go over before we start showing you the thickness planer. You got 2 speeds on this one. This one here is, when it's down, you get the fastest speed. It's 130 circulations per minute, and up is only 85. You got an on and off switch, and you got a depth gauge. You move this and it'll go up and down. The head will go up and down. This is the depth cut and how much you want to go. Now I've already kind of preset the depth gauge that I want to go. I'm just going to show you when you go in here, it will register that up, and it's just see.
So it shows you about how much you're going to be
yeah.
Cool. Awesome.
Okay, you want to make sure that you run this in a smooth motion, or you'll get some snipe on the end, and it won't look so good. Cut it on. Go in real easy. Once it starts, you can turn loose and go on its own. As you can see, I didn't have it quite as deep as I needed to. I still got a saw mark. I will adjust this down just by that much and run it through again. This side is good. It's like we want it, good and smooth. We have to do the other side now. We'll do all 3 sides of the, all 3 pieces of the other side, and we'll be ready to go. All 3 of them will be the same thickness so that they will match up. Okay, as you can see, all 3 of these are the same thickness. Now, what we're doing with these this time may not be necessary to have them all the same thickness, just smoothed up. But if you're making furniture or making something that all of them needs to be the same, then all of them would be the same with this this particular tool, and it does a very good job.
Cool. Okay guys, hey, we're going to wrap this video up now. As you can see, this Steel City portable planer is really easy to operate and does a really nice job. We're going to continue on our molding making project here today. And thank you for stopping by, and we'll see you next time. Take care.